The American Medical Association has shown that most sports injuries are preventable, and the most common cause of a preventable sports injury is not having the right gear. And it's important, obviously sports gear is specific to each sport, so it's important to check with the governing body for each sport to check to see what the appropriate gear are, whether it's a helmet or mouth guard or shin pads. Not only wearing the right equipment, but also making sure that the equipment fits and that the equipment is in good shape. What is the proper gear for soccer? There's a question as to whether a child should wear cleats or regular running shoes, and what type of cleats. Molded cleats are preferred, and cleats are important rather than just running shoes. Shin pads are important for soccer, and then some people recommend eyewear and a mouth guard as well. Protective gear for lacrosse, a helmet is important, a mouth guard, rib protectors, shoulder pads, elbow pads, protective cup, and that's for a fielder and for goalies. It's important to have additional protective gear. Protective gear for basketball, appropriate court shoes that are non-skid, cotton socks, mouth guard, and eye protection. And there's some controversy around elbow pads and knee pads. I think ankle guards in certain sports are very important, especially court sports like basketball and volleyball. I think basketball is the #1 cause for sports injury in children, and one of the most common things we see is ankle injuries. And so I don't think there's any negative effects from an ankle support. I think it's more important to protect the ankle from injury.